Hey, this is Tejal from Sunmol Software, and in today's video we will see how to add delivery routes. So let's start. You have to log in to the ezybooks.net. After that you have to click on sales module, and in sales module just select delivery routes submodule. After that you have to click on this four dots and click on add delivery route. Just enter the delivery route name over here. Then enter the description for it. Enter the code. Keep it as active. If it's not active, then keep it as no and just click on save. Your delivery route will be added successfully, and you can easily view, edit and delete it using these actions given over here. And you can quick filter your results of delivery routes using this filter given over here and refresh button to refresh the search data. This is how you can add your delivery routes. If you get any query to add your delivery routes, then please connect us at contact us at @sunmolsoftware.com. See you in the next video.